Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel Anji Astro Stocks. In this video, we can understand OH and OL scenario of intraday trading concept. OH and OL scenario. The stock price open high or stock price open to low than previously closed price. Suppose a stock opened at 40 rupees. If the stock closed at 39 rupees in previous day close, that means that is open high. If the stock opens at 36 rupees, then the stock is opened lower price than previously closed price 39 rupees. This is the idea. This we can select from NSE website. Observe the table in active stocks list. In the table, you have to choose the stocks based on the open high and open low concept. Here, observe the first one, Hindalco. I am selecting here all stocks which are on downtrend. Hindalco opens at 531. Previous day close is 533. So it is the basic idea that it has been closed at 533.75. Today stock opens at the price 531, which is lesser than previously closed one. That's why the present LTP, last trading price, is 516.35. Therefore, the stock has taken downtrend and the percentage of change in minus is 3.26%. And observe the second one, Coal India Limited, open 182.7. That is taken downtrend also and changed to 0.33%. Previously closed price 184.50 and today it has opened at 182.70. So it is open low. So like this you have to select, and if this Coal India opened at something and taken 2.33% of change, that means it definitely ends with loss only. That is why you have to choose for short selling of this stock and take at least a minimum of percentage of change in between 1.5% change to 1.75% change to 2.5% change. If the stocks selected in between these range, it will be smooth for your trading and the trend is always in the same trend. Then you can definitely take profit for 30 to 1 hour time. So this we can get idea. With this I will show one stock, how to select this? See, after some time, I have opened this NSE website. Now observe the table of gainers and losers. I have chosen losers here, the table. Hindalco further decreased, losers. Hindalco further decreased, and Coal India is also further decreased 177 to 177. That means percentage of change is also increased in reverse. So like this you can select for open low concept of Coal India or short selling. And similarly for buying, go to gainers and observe the open high concept than previously closed one. So when you observe the percentage of change here, 3.73, that is Bharti Airtel, and 3.06 SBAN. So already I told that Bank Nifty in Bank Nifty there will be one or two banks is going to rise today, and I told that the Nifty will fell down today, and Nifty index option 18,000 put option is going to rise and met 71 premium price. It has crossed the premium price of 1, that is 73. Look here, you can observe it has crossed to 73.55. So this one already I told in previous video, today's morning video. I think some of you got very good profit from this. So come to this open high and open low concept. Observe the Coal India Limited. Take what market was Coal India Limited. Coal India, see today's trend, it has go to 5 days trend. So today it has opened low than previously closed price. So this is the previously closed price 184 something, 183.75, and today it has opened. Observe the black cursor right side. It has opened at 182 point something. So that is why it cannot touch in reverse direction. After a few minutes, if you observe, it is further going down. So at when it is reaching 181, then you can get short selling and you can book profit of 3 to 4 rupees. That is enough. If you bought 1,000 or 2,000 shares, it will give maybe 6,000 or 12,000 rupees profit in few hours. So like this you can select the open low scenario, ON scenario. Then I will show one OH scenario. So again go to the earlier table, that is gainers. Here Bharti Airtel is uptrend. So observe this one, Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel. This is Bharti Airtel. So this, observe the graph here. Before that, see the open, close. Observe here, open is 683.4, 683.4, and previous close 681.10. So here it has opened higher than previously closed. This is OH scenario. Then observe the graph. Today previous close is this one here, is previous close, and it has opened, it is previous close, it has opened at 678 something, sorry, this is opened at 679 something, sorry, 684 something. Today at 9:15, 683.59. Previous day close is 678 at end of market day. So this is 679. Today opened at 683. So it shows that there is variation of 2 rupees and odd price change upward. That is why it is open high. So that is why it has taken uptrend, complete uptrend since morning, irrespective of market trend. So it is changing to top. It is changing to high trend like this. Okay, I think you can understand the concept of open high and open low scenario to choose the appropriate stock. The stocks are very, very dangerous. Only simple